Hi everybody, this is a super quick video. I don't know if you've ever heard of the Kindness Rock Project, and the website is thekindnessrockproject.com. But basically you take little stones like this, decorate them, and then on the back you put in the website, thekindnessrockproject.com. I've put my name, Jules M, on the back, and then you put an inscription. So on this one I've put live life fully. On this one I've put you matter. And on this one I've put you've got this. And the idea is that you place them randomly and someone will come along and they'll see these rocks and pick them up, and they have this incredible little good luck, and hopefully they go to the website and take a photograph of their rock and post it to the website. But even if that doesn't happen, you've made somebody's day. So I just thought that was really nice, and all I'm going to do now is, I've got some resin left over from something I've just been doing. I'm going to just resin the back of them so that these words never come off. And tomorrow I am going to go for a walk near the beach in Connecticut and place them for someone to make their day, make people happy. That's what life should be about. Anyway, I think this is just a lovely idea. So here are my kindness rocks, and today I am going to place them in surreptitious places. Okay, we're about to head out on our 5-mile walk. This is George, my lovely husband, and you'll see where I place the rocks. I'm going to place my first rock here. Okay, off, and then approaching the place I'm going to leave my second rock. If you look over there, I can zoom in. You can see it. There's the skyline of Manhattan, and this is a place where lots of people come and exercise. And I don't know if I told you, this is Greenwich Point Park, otherwise known as Todd's Point. So I've already left my first stone, which had "You've got this" message, and there's some picnic tables here. And I'm going to leave one. Live life fully. I'm going to leave this one on this table. Okay, next one coming up. Alright, coming up to the place where I want to leave my third and last rock, which is a I think I'm so out of breath, a monumental point in this park, and I think it's why it's called Todd's Point. So I'm going to place it there because there are a couple of Adirondack chairs there, and lots of people like to sit and rest and look at the skyline of Manhattan. Darn it, there's a couple of people where I want to leave my rocks. My last rock. This one is You Matter, Kindness Rock Project. They're leaving. No, they're not. Oh well. I'm going to put it on top of this rock. So it took them ages to leave, and this is where I have decided to place the last one, which is in full view of, there's my rock, there's Manhattan. Alright, that's my last rock placed. Off to finish the rest of my walk now. Oh, this is so cool. So I'm back to the place where I placed my first kindness rock. And it's gone. Such a fun project. Anyway, just thought I'd try something different with you. Hope you enjoyed it. And you down at the water Greenwich in Connecticut. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.